Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best boat wax marine is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your boat. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of boat wax marine, exploring its features, benefits, and how it can protect your vessel from the harsh marine environment. We'll cover everything from application techniques to the long-term advantages of using a high-quality wax to keep your boat looking its best. Number 5. Better Boat Premium Boat Erasers. Tired of stubborn marks on your boat? This is the solution. These erasers are designed to make your boat look new again. This amazing product quickly removes dirt, grime, and scuffs. It effortlessly lifts away marks from various items on your boat. Forget about harsh chemicals. You only need water to activate it. This sponge is safe for your boat's surfaces. It's safe for fiberglass, vinyl, and more. This is the perfect addition to your boat maintenance supplies. These extra thick sponges are built to last. It's an essential boat accessory that will help you keep your boat clean. We are a family-owned American business. We are committed to making premium quality products and ensuring customer satisfaction. We stand behind the quality of our products. What we like. This boat eraser is perfect for removing scuffs and grime without harsh chemicals. It's safe for various surfaces, making it a versatile cleaning solution. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to keep your boat looking its best, you should consider this. What people say. These boat erasers are fantastic. I actually like them better for my boat seats than the regular magic erasers. They don't seem to be as abrasive on vinyl, which gives me peace of mind, but they still clean just as effectively. Scuffs and grime on my interior vinyl come right off, and they also work great on the external gel coat. They are amazing and removed old mold and mildew that had been there for several years. You don't need any additional solution. Stuff works great. Could never get the seats really clean no matter what cleaner I used or how hard I scrubbed with a brush, but these worked. Number 4. Boat Juice 2-in-1 Cleaner and Protectant Spray. This product cleans and protects your boat in a single step. It contains ASiO2 ceramic sealant, leaving your boat glossy and spot-free. It's the perfect solution for easy boat care. It's a powerful cleaner that easily removes mineral deposits and hard water spots. This product is designed to tackle tough stains and keep your boat looking its best. Say goodbye to unsightly marks with ease. We created this to be better than the rest. No more harsh-smelling cleaners or needing multiple products. It's designed to make boat cleaning a breeze. It's easy to use, just spray on and wipe off. It also works great on trailers. You can use it on a wet or dry boat, making the process simple. It's safe on all finishes, including gel coat, chrome, glass, vinyl, and plastics. The tropical aroma makes wiping down a pleasant experience. Enjoy the refreshing scent while you clean. It transforms boat maintenance into an enjoyable task. What we like. This product cleans and protects your boat in one easy step, thanks to its ceramic sealant. It effectively removes mineral deposits and water spots, leaving a glossy finish. If you want a quick, easy, and great-smelling solution for your boat's exterior, you should choose this. What people say. Have been using it on the hull and interior fiberglass areas with great results. Works better than other cleaners and post-water cleaning. It works good enough between waxes to keep the boat shiny. Great for removing water spots off chrome and fiberglass. Use on my boat and engine. Very effective in removing spots easily, other cleaners could not. Number 3. Boat Juice 2-in-1 Interior Boat Cleaner and Protectant. Tired of complicated boat cleaning routines? This product offers the perfect balance of cleaner and UV protectant. It simplifies your cleaning process. We created this to be better than the rest. Forget about harsh, bad-smelling cleaners and multiple products. This one does it all, and smells amazing. This product quickly removes stains, food spills, and ground-in dirt. It penetrates surfaces effectively, making cleaning a breeze. This product leaves behind UV protection, safeguarding your boat's interior. It doesn't leave an oily or greasy residue, just protection. It's safe to use on upholstery, carpet, vinyl, plastic, and foam flooring. You can confidently clean various surfaces without worry. What we like. This cleaner is designed to clean and protect your boat's interior, including vinyl and upholstery. It provides UV protection, preventing sun damage, while leaving a fresh scent. If you want to keep your boat's interior looking and smelling great, you should consider this. What people say. Really works well to keep our boat seats clean. Makes the material feel soft. The boat juice got it out. Very satisfied and would recommend this product. Number 2. Boat Juice Cleaner Kit. This kit includes an exterior spray with a ceramic SiO2 sealant. It leaves your boat glossy and spot-free. You can use it on a wet or dry boat. The powerful cleaner easily removes mineral deposits and hard water spots. Simply spray it on, wipe with one side of a towel, and buff off with the other side for a high gloss. Boat Juice created something better. No more horrible smelling, vinegar-based cleaners. This product is designed to get the job done efficiently and effectively, and it smells great. The interior spray is the perfect balance between cleaner and SiO2 UV protectant. It makes cleaning your boat's interior much easier. It's safe to use on upholstery, carpet, vinyl, plastic, and foam flooring. This product will help you keep your boat's interior clean and protected. What we like. This kit offers both exterior and interior cleaning solutions, along with microfiber towels for easy application. The exterior spray includes a ceramic sealant for a glossy finish, while the interior cleaner provides UV protection. If you are looking for a comprehensive boat cleaning solution, you should consider this. What people say. The exterior product rejuvenated the boat finish, removed waterlines and oxidation. Brought back the shine. The exterior spray is phenomenal. It effortlessly removed water spots and left a beautiful, glossy shine on my boat. The interior spray is equally remarkable. It left the seats looking like new, soft, clean, and fresh. Number 1. Boat Juice 2-in-1 Boat Cleaner and Protectant. Introducing Boat Juice 2-in-1, the ultimate solution for boat cleaning and protection. This product contains SiO2 ceramic sealant, leaving your boat with a glossy, spot-free finish. It simplifies your detailing process. This powerful cleaner effortlessly removes mineral deposits and hard water spots. It's designed to tackle tough grime, ensuring your boat looks its best with minimal effort. Boat Juice is designed to be better. Forget about harsh-smelling cleaners and multiple products. This does it all, efficiently and effectively, while providing a pleasant experience. Using Boat Juice is incredibly easy, just spray and wipe. It works on wet or dry boats and is safe for all finishes. It's also great for trailers. Enjoy the refreshing tropical aroma while you clean. This pleasant scent enhances the detailing experience, making it a joy to use. What we like. This product cleans and protects your boat in one easy step, thanks to its ceramic sealant. It effectively removes mineral deposits and water spots, leaving a glossy finish. If you have a larger boat or want to stock up on your favorite cleaner, you should consider this. What people say. Boat Juice makes cleaning way too easy, spray, wipe, done. Spots disappear, my paint shines so bright, and it even smells good. It effectively removes water and sediment from post-lake trips and shines up the boat like new, not to mention the smell is out of the world. This effortlessly cleaned it up in minutes and made it look amazing. Easy to use and smells great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.